Mabuhay! My name is Liza Estera, a candidate from Far North Queensland, Cairns region. I am originally from Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, Mindanao, Philippines. I came to Australia in 1985 and I am married with 3 children and 3 adopted children, of which 1 from the Philippines. In 2018, I went home to the Philippines where my nephew was very sick and we took him to Kasiglahan Infirmary. There I witnessed that they have limited health equipment, hence we have to call an ambulance to transfer him to another hospital. I saw the struggle and hardship to organize the ambulance transfer, and I vowed to myself that given the opportunity, I would like to start a project to enable the center to have the basic equipment such as hospital beds, wheelchair, and basic medical supplies. The funds raised will go towards the necessary equipment needed for the infirmary. I would like to thank the Filipino-Australian Foundation of Queensland Incorporated for the opportunity to make my dream come true to help the Kasiglahan Infirmary. Thank you to all those who have supported me for this great cause. Salamat!